Here's Vyke app or Vyke app second phone number. Yeah, so it's not the top apps in the charts for this category, but let's give it a try. So this is obviously an app to get like a second phone number, and you can get up to 4 real additional mobile cell numbers from Vyke, with the ability to have free calls and chat to other and low cost calls as SMS to phones. So just open it up, and then you just create an account with your main phone number, get verification SMS, and then, for example, if you want to get like a phone number, you need to upgrade. So there is no freemium option. Like 3 month subscription is $6, 12 months is $16, which is actually quite cheap, I need to say. So, and then you can get numbers from these countries: Canada, France, UK, Netherlands, Poland, United States. So for example, from US, if you want to get like Phoenix phone number, then yeah, 12 months, $16, less than $2 per month. Pretty good deal, I would say, compared to some other apps in this category. Of course, you can just skip, and then you can just add numbers, and then you can add a microphone, and then from here, this is how it looks like. You can add number, you can purchase additional number, or you can go home, and then you can see keypad, contact, SMS, chat, recent settings, and then if you want, you can also buy bundles. You can top up, you can get some bundles here, and then yeah, that's basically super easy to use interface, and that's an overview.